Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by organizing. Create clear folders labeled by project or date so you don't hunt for files. Install Drive for desktop and pick Selective Sync to keep local storage efficient. This lets you work offline. Once done, enable offline access for essential folders and set link sharing defaults to your preferred permission level so collaborators see the right access. These steps establish a repeatable structure and reduce friction later, which saves time when you scale or collaborate. Now focus on collaboration and automation. You should use comments, suggested edits, and version history so every change has context and you can revert if needed. This improves decision-making. Create document templates and shortcuts for repeatable tasks and connect apps script to automate renaming, exports, or backups. Also learn Drive search operators and filters to surface files instantly. Once those systems are in place, your team works faster and errors drop because processes are consistent. To finish, lock in security and sharing hygiene. Audit who has access, remove stale permissions, and prefer folder-level control to avoid accidental exposure. Set retention and backup policies and export critical data on a schedule so you can recover from mistakes. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Restart Drive for desktop, clear the app cache, and reauthorize your account. If sync still fails, move a file to a new folder to force resync. These steps protect your work and restore productivity fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.